this is day 3. I didn't record yesterday because I was just loading dumpsters, so it wasn't too big a deal. But we already had one issue with water here, and that was like, I think they had a leaky pipe or something like that. So that was the first issue, and then get out here this morning and it rained. But before that, all of this here was just sloppy. That's why I haven't been able to get around there and clean all that up, because I'm having to work from the outside of the so kind of sucks. I mean, it's just like a pure mess out here right now, but you know, I guess it is what it is. So we're gonna load this dumpster here, and he's probably gonna come back for the brick or something like that. Or not. The last thing I needed was rain, and it rained. So. Next week after it's dried out, because this is a mess, a god awful mess. I'm trying not to get too much mud when I pick this crap up, because if the wood's wet now, it's going to be heavier than it would be if it was dry, obviously. Told me all the dumpsters that I've been sending out, this is number 6, I think, but he said all the other ones were 7 or 8 tons. The last one that I sent out had a lot of dirt and crap like this in it. He said it was 10 tons. These have an 8-ton weight limit, so we've been doing good keeping the weight down, but I don't think that's gonna happen now. Looks like coffee down below me. It is horrible. Oh, perfect. Good deal. Get it all without all crashing everywhere. Show you what it looks like where I'm sitting. It is horrible. all the loose stuff to fall back in the pile before I transfer it over. That way you don't have a mess of crap to clean up. You can see how far I'm leaning over because I'm really sinking in the ground. I may have to use some of these bricks or something to perch myself up. In the mud.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We're sinking in the mud. If this is strong enough. Give myself a turn a little bit. And then come out this way. Hang on. That's just sinking too. Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, this thing is just like slopping in the mud. It's gonna mess around and get stuck. Let's see if I can. It's not as high as it wants to go up. There we go. Not liking this at all. Yeah, I'm not liking this either. But I don't want to do that. So he's gonna hook the box up. I'm kind of stuck in the mud right now, and this stuff is so soft, like you can't do anything with it. So I mean, it's horribly soft. I got somewhat of a gangster lean going on right now. Okay, let's see if I can get out the front. I can get out this way. to safety. Look at the mess I was dealing with. You know what? I'm just gonna load this thing from the back. That's where I was stuck. Look at this. The whole dadgum bucket, just horrible. That's gonna be one heavy freaking dumpster. I already know that's gonna be over 8 tons. That's gonna be, I'm guessing about 12 to 15. Most of that's dirt. I can't see his front wheels, so they say if the front wheels come off the ground, then he's heavy. He was trying to pick it up a while ago and move it, and it started sliding off the it almost tipped off of the hoist, basically. So, see what he's got to say. Still got a full tank of fuel. I guess that's good. Ooh, look at them back tires. You can't see them, but them back tires are pressed. They are pushing it. I said that's a heavy dumpster. Alright, that's gonna be it for today. Wish I could did more, but I ain't about to get stuck, and I'm not gonna waste gas slopping around in this crap. It'd be nice if I had some mats or something like that, but I don't. So I'll go to Greenville and see if we can get this tree cut down, and this is the catastrophe that's left. It really ain't that bad, it's just that it's wet. If it was dry, I could drive across here, I could gather all this stuff up in a pile, and I'll be done with it. But because it's a swamp out there, I mean, I can't really do anything. It's a piece of concrete right there, but I mean, this part right here is okay. But as you get further and further over there, it just gets worse and worse, and I'm not even going to risk trying to get all the way over there, because that stuff over there where the water's standing over there, it's been like that since the beginning, since we started this job. So this whole thing is just like super saturated, I think. So no point in risking destroying or damaging a machine by, you know, getting it stuck in the mud or having it flip over or whatever. Not necessarily a rite of passage to be stuck in the mud. It's gonna happen eventually, but if you can avoid it, why not avoid it? Why make things harder for yourself just for the sake of saying, oh, I got stuck in the mud today? So, not about that life. Anyway, bull crap that didn't get put in there. Might as well just scrape it out. Mix it back in with the other junk. I guess he got water in his shoes or something. I'm trying to see what he was doing. Get it up the main driveway. Let mean, Jesus, look at that. I don't know if I can record this with my phone. You can see how deep this stuff goes. It's horrible. I'm holding this on my phone, that's why it's all shaky. But I mean, look at that. That's I was stuck in that a while ago. So anyway.